now let's go and have here our lesson, okay? So for now on, I will be your teacher. Is it okay?
Yes.
Are you happy to see me?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Now teacher will share the screen now, okay? And let's play first, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, do you like play?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Oh, me. 22. Oh, who is your favorite teacher? Myself, of course. Because I am a teacher. How about you? School teacher.
My teacher teaching about how to play basketball.
PE teacher.
Yes.
In online distance teacher, who is your favorite?
You.
That's very cute. Thank you so much. Am I your only online teacher?
Yes.
I'm only one. So that's me. I'm your favorite. Very good. You're so smart, Chen.